In order to install your furnace filter whistle, there are two necessary pieces. On the bottom of the screen is the base, and the top of the screen is the hat. The base must face the direction of the airflow, with the hat clipped on the opposite side. You will see that the filter must be in between the two pieces of the furnace filter whistle. Press the pieces together, pushing through the filter until you hear the two pieces of the furnace filter whistle click into place. After you have properly clipped on your furnace filter whistle, install the furnace filter as usual. As dirt builds up, it produces an increase in pressure, which triggers the whistle, letting you know when it's time to change your filter.